How to stop sharing location on iPhone without them knowing. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. The Find My app is a powerful tool that helps locate lost or misplaced Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs, and AirPods, AirTags, and even allows users to share their location with friends and family. It combines the functionality of the former Find My iPhone and Find My Friends apps into one integrated experience. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. You can view your location information over here. Now, turn off the Share My Location feature as shown. You have now successfully turned off location sharing on your phone. You can turn your location sharing back on from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily stop sharing location on iPhone without them knowing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.